What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to continue working with our 2020 Mustang GT. As you know, in previous video we continue with removing some miscellaneous part and the glass from the car, and in this video finally we are going to take it to the frame machine. So let's go before to take the tow dolly so we can take our car to frame machine. Everything is right here, and there is our car. It's right on the frame machine. So I'm going to leave and I will be back tomorrow and we will check the progress on the car. It is the next day. Let's go to shop and continue working on it. So it is the next day, guys. Yesterday that's all I was able to record it, and it was very late night when we finished the work, and I called the CA guys and they drop off my car to the house. So let's check out what we did yesterday. Let's just turn on the lights. So, as you can see right here, we have changed the whole quarter panel. It's a brand new complete. So we cut the original quarter panel from right here. There's another one like that, and we weld on that. And let me just unlock the car. There's one more right there. So 3 point, we change the quarter panel. Let's open the trunk. Okay. So we change the whole tub right here. We change from there this whole corner. So it's completely new. As you can see, this panel is also brand new. Right over there, from all the way there. So actually our rear end is complete now. All we have to do is some body work and paint it, and that's it. So guys, that's all gonna be for this video. In next video, we are going to start with filling all the welded area using the body filler, and then we're going to sand it out, put some primer, and make it ready for the paint. Also, I'm going to do same thing on the all other spot valves inside the trunk area, and also I'm going to try to paint the trunk area inside and under the car. I'm going to paint by myself, but then for the exterior, we are going to take our car to the professional paint shop where it's going to be painted nicely. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and share below, and please hit the subscribe so you don't miss out the next episode for this Mustang GT. See you next time.